Hey everybody, thought I'd do a quick tour of don't have much of my home with my new Valentine's Day decor. I don't have too much. I got this at Hobby Lobby on clearance a couple of years ago. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby too, and then I added a bow. Love the Bow Dabra. And I'm doing a separate Bow Dabra tutorial just for people that don't want to watch a haul. So if you see that, you've already seen it on my haul video. Don't worry about watching. Just up there in case anybody wants just that. Here's my wreath, which I've shown. It turned out so cute. I had one on order on Amazon, and I thought, no, I'm going to make one. And I'm so glad I did. So yeah, that's the porch. I feel like I'm missing stuff. Like, I haven't put the pillow covers on yet. But there's those. All right, let's go on in, see what's in the house. Doing it during the day, I think things will show up better. Ignore my coffee table. That's one of my work areas. Here's my tree. Oh, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's so pretty. So there's one of those from Dollar Tree. That's really hard to stand up. But anywho, I did it. Another bow. There's that heart. Just love those cupcakes. There's the ribbon. I didn't end up adding more ribbon. I thought I'd end up knocking stuff off of here, so I just went with what I had on there already. And then my little gathering of my small gnomes. This little guy here. But yeah, I just loaded her up. And I just love having a tree up this long. It's so much fun. Just change it with the seasons. I will take it down for spring and summer. But yeah, for 3 different holidays. Christmas, winter, and now Valentine's Day. So yeah, there's my tree. Nothing much to see over here. Just hung my gnomies. Put a heart on there. A little heart there. And then there's another gnome. And then here comes my mantle. Oh, wait, before my mantle, gotta get the gnomes sometime. I did not buy any more gnomes this year. I just went with what I already have, which is more than enough. I just wish their arms weren't like flippers. But anywho, that's just me being picky. There's that. I got this year. I think it was 5 or 3. Sorry, I can't find my finger. The garland at Dollar Tree. They're pretty. I've had these for a long time. I love them from Dollar Tree. And then I think those are Hobby Lobby. It's a little candle that I showed in my haul. And then here is my tree. This tree, the birch tree that lights up from Amazon. And I just did the tubing that I already had bows. Scarf around the bottom. Call it good. Here's a arrangement. I just use this basket full of pine cones as my base, and then I just stuff it full of whatever seasonal. So lots of red roses. I need to rearrange that guy right there. Where is he? Right there. Anyway, I spend so much time. I put that little tin fussing about, oh, it should be here. It's ridiculous. I don't consider myself an OCD person, but yeah. Anyway, so this is Hobby Lobby. I don't know where I got it. Might have been Hobby Lobby. Anyway, I thought all 3 should be together. And then I put some beading I got at Christmas clearance at Michael's. I think it was Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of the two. So yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. I love my mantle. It's so fun to decorate. No lights on the garland this year. Maybe later. I don't know. So, coming over here, this is my window that I got. I think I got it like free or something. Anyway, I painted it white, and I just love it's a mirror window. It's just fun to decorate, and it kind of adds to that space. Here's my tiered tray. I took the little picture holder out of these. There's Hobby Lobby. I think these make good. I don't turn them on, but there's a Hobby Lobby vintage. There's a little Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of stuff 90% off, I think it was, at Hobby Lobby last year, I think. Like this truck. Sorry, I'm probably making you dizzy. And then I put the girl and boy gnome, propped them in there. There's a Christmas bow, but it works. I love that saying. We're all perfect in every way. I love to surround myself with positive messages. There's that little guy, and then that sign. I'm on the fence about this garland. I don't know if it looks too like Las Vegas or something. Anyway, yeah, I like the garland. I put the pics in there. Got that idea from Crafty Girl here on YouTube. She's always decorating, and she puts pics in her boxwood. And I was like, oh, great idea. So you can change it for the seasons. So yeah, there's this part. Cute. I love how this lamp goes with the red. Perfect. And then, oh, I got this table runner off of Temu recently. Perfect. Here's my newest lamp, because I need light over here. It's kind of dark, so I did that. I didn't do any Valentines other than that. I made another bow for my Bow Dabra tutorial, so I put it on there. But this is all my current. And then I went with my giant tiered tray here. Let me sit down. This is a Hobby Lobby. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, this shelf. But I got mine way cheaper on Facebook Marketplace. You know me, I'm always... Okay, here's the goofy heart that I made such weird comments about. Anyway, I went over it with red, different colors of Distress Oxides, but with the white base it came out pink, which is fine. And then I added some Dollar Tree little gems there, and my bow. And then a tiered tray. This is a $5 tiered tray from Dollar Tree. I almost said Michael. I'm always mixing the two up. And then I added my candy jar, the candle. That's a Dollar Tree candle. Cute, cute, cute. I thought I had one of these felt trees, but I couldn't find it, so I bought one yesterday in my haul. Let's see. And I always, on top of my pictures and stuff, I usually put those little signs. And then here is, I put my other birch tree up there. I think it's alder, birch, something. I'll come around closer here in a minute. That gives you the effect of my other shelf tiered tray. And here is my centerpiece. This is actually I bought this originally for Christmas, but I use it for Valentine's Day too. And this is the basket I got at Michael's. It's trying to focus on my finger, and I filled it. Okay, so I needed something to poof it up a little bit, the items, so I put a red Michael's bag in there. Some hearts that I had woven, some felt roses. I just think it looked really pretty. And this is that, not real excited about this tablecloth, but you know, I own it, I have it, I'll use it. So anyway, it's just this kind of polyester. You really have to look at how it's made. If it says linen, then it's like that table runner. If it doesn't, it says polyester. Okay, so here's my little stand here. And my little Valentine card. Sharon May. Thank you, Sharon. And, okay, so I decided I'm going to put those little pot holders there. And do you guys know what that is? What is that? I know it's a cupcake. Don't say cupcake, Kim, because Lord, turn me in if I can't say the word cupcake. But what is it intended for? Leave a comment below if you have a guess. Anyway, and then the marshmallows. This is a Dollar Tree container that I had last year. Another one of the little, they're cute with the marshmallows. Emma will love that. There's this and this. So that's by my door. My slider. See outside. No snow. I'm so bummed. There's this. Jill Darwood was yesterday. We're hoping for snow. We are all hoping for. It's a really hit and miss. We have so many different things that affect the Pacific Ocean, that affect our weather, the mountains, where the winds come from. It's a whole thing. So we either get it or they make a big deal out of it. I get excited. I love to watch weather channels. I'm really into weather. Anyway, I get that from my dad, I think. He always was. My mom, just look out the window. She's really right. She was right. Anyway, God bless you, Mom. She was cranky, but funny. Okay, so I try to put stuff. I got that heart yesterday, and that's perfect because I want to put stuff behind. Kind of gives it more of a finished look, I guess. But some of the signs don't fit, so I may have to, but you don't really see that down there. So anyway, then I have my lights on there. But yeah, it kind of just, I don't know why, but it just gives it a, I guess, finished look, like I said. Isn't that fun? Boy, it took forever, though. Ridiculous. And I live alone, but whatever. It makes me happy. Okay, this was a wall hanging, or a flag, rather, that I got at Temu, and I poked a hole in it and hung it here. Now, see, this is that, they call it linen. That's what I wanted the tablecloth out of. That's the material I look for. Not much in here. Got my candles going for you guys. New window clings. I love those things. They're so pretty. They look like stained glass. And this is one of my favorite pictures. This is Vienna and her daddy. Oh, she was sleeping. So sweet. I just... Precious, precious, precious. Then there's my new tin sign. These... I think I got on Temu. I can't remember, but I love them. They have magnets in them, and I can decorate them. They're to keep your spices, but whatever. The jar fell over a little bit. Little rolling pin, so kind of my coffee station, which you guys have seen before. And then my, don't look up there, my mess at the top. Oh, boy. And I just use one of these to keep my stir spoon for my coffee in, so I don't have to get a new one every time. Kind of handy. And then my son, Eric, comes and cleans the thing out for me every time he comes. He's like, Mom, whatever, I'm still alive, son. Just make your coffee and shush. If you want to clean it, go for it. Anyway, so full calf, half calf, decaf. Anyway, there you go. And I like my little plants in here, so I kept that up. All right, and then moving around, just here, I have the Eat from, I was going to say Walmart, Hobby Lobby, All You Need Is Love puzzle, and then I got this Hobby Lobby charcuterie board that I mean to do something with. This is from Dollar Tree, and that's from Miss Emma. Always have that up there. And then into my bathroom / laundry room, printer room, all above. So these are the hearts. I just love these things from Dollar Tree. And then this love sign. I just love this thing. I got it at a thrift store on one of Margaret and my trips. And I got this cling, but it's not, I don't think it's meant to be a window cling. It's really sticky and I was afraid to put it on the window. So I got a board and put it on that. And then there's some roses I got from Michael's. And I always have my little light on here when company comes and stuff. It's a candle warmer. See? Not pretty? Okay. So there's my grandma cluttered, but I love them and I don't care if it's cluttered. It's my family. There's Lucy. She's part of my family. Anyway, I got these holders on Amazon too, magnetic, and they're perfect because then your stuff is protected. Oh, look at the babies. Emma doesn't do dance anymore. Isn't she pretty? Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh. Look at Miss Tori. Oh, There's Vienna when her birthday. There's her latest Christmas picture. Gosh, they're cute. Vienna looks a little concerned. I need to fix that up. So, anyway, there you go, guys. I cleaned for you, but I'm not a clean freak, so it is what it is. This is where I usually do my stamping. I craft upstairs and downstairs. So there's my vegetable stand with inks. You know, I mean, there's craft stuff everywhere in this house. As it should be, right? That's the beauty of being single. I can do what I want. And boy, do I. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. Thanks for coming to my home. Take care. Bye-bye.